Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you enable parental controls on Google Play Store using your Android phone. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Google Play Store app and make sure your phone is connected a valid internet or mobile data. Also log into your current account. After that, look at the top right corner. You can find your Google account profile icon. Simply tap on it to open the page. Here, scroll down to the very bottom, find settings option, tap on it. Then locate at family name, open it. Here you can find content restriction or parental control. At the same option, your phone. Once you found it, simply tap on it. Right now, this option is turned off by default, my phone. You can turn it on, simply tap on the toggle switch, then set a 4-digit pin. For example, I am set this pin, then hit OK, retype the same pin again your phone, then hit OK, and automatically turn on parental control your device. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.